Mark Woehrle.
And I'm Nancy Neville.
We're here today at our newest listing at 79 Bluegrass Boulevard in Delhi.
This fine home features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, almost new, bungalow. You just have to see it to believe it. Come on in and take a look.
Thank you for visiting us at 79 Bluegrass Boulevard in Delhi.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this fine home or would like to talk to us about buying or selling a home in Delhi, please give us a call. I'm Nancy Neville.
And my name is Mark Woehrle. We can be reached at 905-512-1846.